Alright guys, good morning. Quickly gonna give my thoughts here on Bitcoin. We have the weekly close coming up later today. So yeah, let's get prepared for next week. I'm bullish on Bitcoin at these levels, so let me explain why. First of all, we have our weekly range that we've been watching for quite a while. And as you can see, we got a clean break above the mid-range. And now we did see some downside, but we got a pretty decent bounce at the mid-range, where we had a nice confluence with this green order block that I marked here, a weekly order block. Okay, so the downside or the down move before the expansion to the upside. All right, we got a nice bounce around there while sweeping a key low into demand, so I wouldn't be shorting here personally, but yeah, if we mark the range on the lower time frames where we are trading in, just from the high to the low here, then we can also see we have a pretty nice confluence with the mid-range with this low right here. Okay, as you can see, we swept this low, then got back above, a clean retest, and now we're seeing some upside. Okay, so I think we will at least see the 9.4 to 9.5k levels. All right, also if we mark a range from back in April here, okay, this key high to this key low right here, then you can also see we swept that low right into that mid-range. Okay, so yeah, some solid confluence around those levels. So yeah, that's not something bearish in my opinion. So for now, I'm mainly watching this bearish 4-hour block. Okay, why? Because if we mark the OTE from the high to the low right here, you can clearly see we have some confluence around this order block, and also another key range from this high to the first low. Then you can also see that the OTE almost perfectly lines up with the mid-range. Okay, so I think we see some upside from here, and then I'll be watching this red area and our OTE and this mid-range of this lower time frame range. If we start breaking above here, then I think yeah, then you want to be longing your longs, in my opinion. If we then see some kind of sweep on the lower time frames and a break in market structure, then I'm gonna be longing, and my targets will be first of all the highs, then 10.5k, the equal highs, and ultimately our range high at 11.7k. Okay, if we see a sweep into red and a rejection, okay, then that would be yeah, then that wouldn't be a good sign, but I wouldn't necessarily swing short it already. But if we start breaking back below here and then lose this lose our weekly mid-range and this green weekly order block, then I'm gonna be shorting it all the way down into these clean lows right here and this key daily level. Okay, we have some clean demand right here, but yeah, then I think we honestly will see some more downside towards 7k levels around here. Okay, so those are my game plans for now. If we break back above here, then yeah, that's a big long in my opinion towards ultimately towards our weekly range high at 11.7k. And if we reject here and start breaking below these key levels, then shorts all the way down. For now I'm flat, but I would prefer longing here rather than shorting. Okay, I think we at least see some upside into this red area, and then the reaction there will be key. Break above, higher, break below, sit out for a bit and wait for a clean break below here. Then you could scalp short it back towards this low over here, and then if we don't see a sweep here and a strong buyback, but we start rejecting and stay below here, then all the way down. Okay, I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next time.